Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your video from Loom to Google Drive. So here I have a video in Loom. Now once you have that too, click on the three dots right here, and after that click on export and the video would be downloaded. As I have already downloaded it, so I will not do that again. Now after the video has been downloaded, go back and open up gallery. Now once you're in gallery, select that video by just clicking on it, and after that click on share. Now in here select drive. Now after that, name that video. I'll go for my video 1, let's say, and after that click on save. And here, as you guys can see, the video has been uploaded to Drive. So that is how you can upload a video from Loom to your Google Drive. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your video in Loom to Google Drive. So here I'm at the library of Loom. So let's say I want to upload this video to my Google Drive. For that purpose, click on the three dots right here, and after that download this video. As I have already downloaded it, as you guys can see, it has been downloaded. So I will not be downloading it again. Now once you have downloaded the video, open up a new tab and go to Google Drive. Now once you're in Drive, click on New on the left side, and in here click on File Upload, and after that locate that file. Here it is, and after that select it and click on Open. And here, as you guys can see, it says one upload complete and my video has been uploaded. So that is how you can upload your Loom video to Google Drive.